Zio buy and large faces medium-term blockage for $0 kind of contrary to what most people think. XYO has been gaining bullish speed over the past week, reaching 1.61. Also, XYO's intraday volume has stayed at $2,166,870, which is a lot. The 31st of May 2023, in this video, we will walk you through XYO's cost analysis for now or for next week. In this video, we'll show you how to take the XYO cost exam for now or for a week from now, and you should try to answer these questions as much as possible. This will help you get answers to important questions. What is the short-term price outlook for XYO, especially since XYON is a smart investment? Before getting too deep into the XYO technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy, which shows that XYO's intraday volume is still at $2,166,870. Market evaluation over the most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84%, bringing the entire digital currency market to $1.212.34.78, which is unremarkable, but overall trading volume remained at $22,757,277,610, or so analysts believed. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the market while Ethereum has 16.33%, demonstrating that Zio-USD pair is trading under the guide despite pervasive reasoning, which has resulted in Bitcoin's cost falling to $26,797.21 after a ROT of 0.42, while Ethereum has seen an expense increment of 0.12 coming to $1,813.92 over the past 24 hours. Market while Ethereum has a simple prevalence of 16.33, which demonstrates that the Zio-USD pair is trading below a man in a subtle manner. In this blog circulation, BNB traded at 308.52 after a 0.48% change in value. Simultaneously, they believed XRP, a local currency, was worth approximately $1.1 and was exchanging at 46 cents. Similarly, Coco's BCX declined 0.77% and traded at 60 cents. In the previous 24 hours, the price of Ethereum increased by 0.12% to $1,813.92. This indicates that Zio-USD pair trading under the equation is essential. People used to believe that support is a level where buyers become more active and prevent the price of a coin from declining further. In contrast, resistance is the point at which dealers become more dynamic and prevent the price of a coin from rising further. How market assessment over irrefutably the most recent 24 hours there expressly was an annihilation of 1.84%, bringing the generally entire computerized currency market to $121230478, which all around is truly colossal. Following for the most part are the assistance and block levels of XYO execution. The basically current Zio cost particularly is nothing with a trading volume of $166,870 in the past 24 hours in a subtle way. At this point, Zio from a genuine perspective is someplace close 0.52 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $78,906,645 USD. In a generally immense way, Zio esteem assessment XYO cost examination for the 31st of May 2023. Inside an essentially everyday period of time positively figured out underneath, which overall shows that these events particularly exhibit that the market kind of is going in each common sense diving bearing for pretty present. Second, really contrary to pervasive reasoning, we use pretty relative strength record moving in each viable sense. Typical similarity and distinction. Diverse stretches of time exhibit fluctuating support and resistance levels. Recalling for each operational sensation fundamental motion rather average and wonderful to describe how the XYR will evolve in the future. the X-Wire is currently undergoing a transition that is essentially mundane. Showing that Zio's daily volume is most likely $2,106,870, despite what most people think. RSI shows oversold stage while trading at 24 and in every way that counts is trying to break out of the negative zone while showing huge negative strength in an unpretentious way, most certainly, while Zio's Williams's %R marker is at 72.603 for the past 14 days, which shows that an independent condition I swap is really possible at this point. How did Coco's BCX go from 77 cents to 60 cents after losing 0.77 of its value? Kind of an extra show. In the past 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.12, bringing it to $1,813.92. How Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market and Ethereum has 16.33%. This shows that the XYO/USD pair is trading under a man. The immediate resistance for XYO is at $0, and a break from this level could lead to the next resistance at $0, which is very important in every practical sense. Zio investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily chart, which shows that the short-term resistance for XY is most likely at $0 and that a break from this level could lead to the next resistance, which is also at $0 in a significant way, and that Zio has almost no recovery risks and could truly go up. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been putting off and turning down talks for many months. In the next 2 years, the deal limits how much money